So yun pala yun. Yan.
Ito.
Diba?
Cold brew? Okay naman.
Grabe ang dark na kilay ko. Wala,
Hindi naman.
di ba?
Oo, hindi naman.
Pero kasi bagay pa ako.
Coffee.
Kaya nga, gagawin naman kayo
Oo, di ba apple?
Coffee.
Kasi kayo nung malaking pumasalon dahil si Ampo. Kabara.
Hindi ka kita.
Oh guys,
Kain.
who wants croissants? Oh, there's a bell.
Croissant.
Kasama sa order.
Kasama yan sa order. Kasama sa order.
Ano yan?
Kahit ano.
Wala akong ano.
Bye daw,
Ano
mama daw.
yan? Tawagin sila.
Ano yan?
Check natin.
Hindi nalungkot siya kasi di ba umalis ako, nag-kiss lang ako, hindi ko siya ginising. Sumunod siya.
This is
Looks like a
a
chocolate.
croissant. What?
Croissant.
Croissant pala.
Oo
Croissant.
nga.
Sabihin ng mama daw. Mama dong,
Yes.
ano to?
Ay, that's pandiregla. Kaya lang,
Yung totoo.
hindi ko alam din. Ako pa
Sabihin
tinanong,
mo na.
croissant?
And it's croissant.
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 Chinese pala yan. Croissant.
It's French.
Ano siya?
Croissant.
Croissant.
So, ang tanga pala natin pag umorder tayo sa Starbucks, croissant kami ng croissant.
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 Guys, ano pala yun? Croissant.
Croissant. Guys ha. Croissant.
Ang hirap
Daw?
naman ng cream.
Croissant.
Salt.
Yung
Croissant.
guyabano.
Bahala ka. Ayoko na to. Sabi ko sa'yo, pandiregla na lang.
Gusto pala.
Diba?
Oo. Croissant. Ba't ibang style ng croissant?
Hindi kusot. Hindi kusot.
Bilis naman mawala sa mood yung
Diba?
prinsesa ng Elito.
Ano daw?
Hindi lang ma-pronounce. Ayaw na nila.
Yan lang.
Kusot.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Chinese pala to eh. Croissant.
Di ba nga, croissant? Ewan ko ba dyan?
Croissant.
Croissant. Yung
Gaya-gaya
guyabano.
siya ng kulay,
Hindi
guys.
parang
Sour
ano.
soup.
True.
Daan sa ilong. Croissant.
Croissant.
Yon.
Croissant. Parang
Croissant.
Chinese na.
Diba
French.
Chinese?
Oo.
Ano, French.
Croissant.
French pala yung croissant.
So order ka kunyari, mama.
Ito,
Ay,
makinis.
give me one croissant. Ang pangit.
Okay, hello, good morning. Ganun pa, dali.
Hi, good morning. I want to order one croissant. Pangit. Alam mo, dapat mag-order ka nakachinita ka kasi parang Chinese eh.
Hindi, French yun.
African pa yun.
Aray ko,
Pero
mama.
sounds like Chinese.
Ito. Ano ito? Ito?
Diba? Ay, in fairness, tama daw si Chris.
Tama.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Isa pa, gusto ko ta mag-order. Ang
Mama, I
cute.
want to order one croissant. Parang inchi.
Oh, sige. I-dare natin. Pag next Starbucks natin, mag-order ka ng ganyan.
Ako order, isang ate, pahingin niya, isang croissant.
Hinalong Tagalog tsaka French.
Aray ko.
Ang pangit. Ay,
Puso.
nawala na sila, Bla.
Uy, musog ka dito kasi hindi ka nila kita. Yes.
Nagdip na sila, bro.
Ayan.
Mahilig ako pag kinuha niya.
Gusto ko ikaw na o-order nito, mas magaling ka
Diba?
mag-pronounce.
Ay, kesang,
Ito.
hindi kesang.
Diba, no?
Oo. Another croissant.
Can I have one croissant?
Aling gusto mo dito?
Tama yung kay Chris. Ha, ha, ha.
Hindi ko alam.
Mali yung sa akin.
Sige,
Ito yung-
share lang. Kukurot-kurot lang tayo dyan, guys.
Aliw.
Guys,
So, guys, here we have different kinds of croissant.
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 Louisa Robert.
Parang may bara sa
Ganyan gusto
ilong.
ng croissant?
Oo nga, croissant.
Parang may bara sa ilong.
Parang-
Do you want
parang
croissant?
napilitainin.
Parang may bara yung ilong ko, guys.
Eileen Vidal.
Croissant.
Kaya gusto mo ng croissant?
Yeah, they're very, very.
Gusto niyo croissant?
Diba, croissant?
Croissant.
Croissant. Would you like to try the croissant?
What kind of croissant is that?
Okay.
Pangungot.
Diba?
Parang pangungulo
Would you like
yan
to
eh.
try croissant?
It's
I
croissant.
would like to try croissant because it's my first time.
It's your
Uy,
first
Mayor,
time to try
I miss
croissant.
you,
Parang barok na yung English. Parang
Yes. Ika Mayor na
Parang ano?
Lagonoy, Camarines.
Okay, would you like to try
Would
this?
you mind to give me some? Honey.
Mayor Janine. Mayor Mayor
I will
PG.
share it to them.
Tayo
So,
ng
we have the,
Lagonoy.
I get the reviews.
Lagonoy.
You get the
Malapit
You'll
na
get
po ang
the
Lagonoy
reviews.
Festival. So this
The English
coming
challenge
April
pala
po,
starts now.
Ay, English.
Hindi, joke.
Mama Dong, stop
Mama
it.
Dong,
English
Mama Dong.
challenge starts
English.
now.
Ay, English challenge starts now?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So don't,
Oh my
don't
God,
speak Tagalog
guys.
from
We
now.
have an English challenge. We will not
Guys.
speak Tagalog.
Yeah. Gusto daw niya ng English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One-
Mayor, we want
1
I
hour
want to
English
visit
challenge.
again
1 hour lang
Lagonoy.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko
The
ha?
people there are
Ng
so
puso
ko ngayon.
charming.
I'm not
and they're
feeling
so-
well.
Yan. Ang sarap
Biglang-
ng
I'm not feeling
Yan.
well, Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Ay, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where
speak
did you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Lerderas, you message me in my messenger or my, yes.
I
Yes.
chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh, they
you
order
message
our-
me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my. Can we stop this already?
I
This
think you
live?
guys sound good. You
No.
sound good.
I think I wanna stop
my
the
God.
live.
No,
Yeah.
keep it going.
We don't need to
They don't
use
need to
the,
hear
ano,
this. Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look.
This
They
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.
You're.
We want this something private.
Usap tayo, Mayor, ha?
Chris
Mag-iingat
Lawrence.
palagi,
You sound.
Mayor.
I think you
Yes,
sound
I-
amazing.
Ay,
Did I,
amazing.
mate?
Oh my God. Did I? Am I?
Napakabait ang Mayor ng Lagoya.
Oh my
Sound
God.
fabulous.
Oh my
Where did you
God.
buy the croissant? It's across the
No,
street.
it's not croissant. It's
It's
croissant.
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 Quoi?
Quoi?
Croissant.
Ah, croissant.
Croissant.
Bonjour.
Oh my God.
Bonjour.
Bonjour mo siya?
Bonjour mo
Merci.
siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya.
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya.
Gracias.
Aya.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
Mali,
si Marcel. Kono, sabi mo, no, wanang
No,
kakoroso.
no Japanese. No Japanese. Don't speak. No, don't speak Japanese.
She is able to
We
speak
will-
English, so that's why she Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, siya.
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your
get-
voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Mama,
us
can you mute
yourself? Speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they
Because-
want to hear.
Ay,
Ah,
we shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. A drink. Yeah.
I thought you need
Yo.
tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too
That's-
early for
that's the-
mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
the English will be
Red
ano,
or-
more.
them
Red
to
horse.
speak English, no
I
Tagalog.
might kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
ang tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so ang
Yes,
tama.
he
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan to, no?
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking
Ay.
about?
hey, guys,
Oh, I'm
come
sorry,
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong, hey,
I
this is
There's a punishment.
This
When
is
you
guys. I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Doming. This
Hello.
is Douglas, and
I-
here we have.
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
Oh my God, we will English.
that's their new name.
If there's 3
The English
A's,
is...
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.
I need to go to the bathroom.
You need to.
hours.
I
think see you in the farm.
I think I want to rest because it's my second day of period and I'm not really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the palenque.
Want us to
You're
English.
going to the palengke.
speak English
Only.
also in Palengke.
Oh, si Ate Claudia, nakayod eh.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after
What
this
will you say
and
if you're going to buy kangkong or ingredients?
I would like to have some kangkong. How much does it